Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to my 2744th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Good evening, traders. I know you've been watching some pretty acrobatic stunts with the Omni over these last few weeks, and it just keeps doing it for us. This video coming at you on a Thursday night for trading Friday, May 3rd, 2024. Before we get started, please remember the risk involved in trading. Risky, 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 risky. Put your stops in first. Never trade without them, because without a stop, you could be in unlimited losses in these futures and options markets. Crypto as well. Be careful what you do out there, okay? Put your stops in. Let's get moving. So for trading on Friday, May 3rd, E-mini S&P chart. As you know, the market made its highs at 53.33. Somehow the Omni got bearish. We put out the video the next day. The market did go down. Then, the Omni found the market would find its legs. It went back up. Then we did a video that the market flipped back to red. It's come back down. And now the Omni has flipped back up. But it's sort of a neutral green, because not all the indices I follow are actually green. Some are neutral, but most are either green for up or neutral. And, I'll go with that. Now, I'm not going to say I'm the most comfortable in the world with a long position on Friday because of the video I released last night. But Omni's a day trader, and the nature of the beast is that I follow the Omni. And if it flips arrow from day to day, I flip my opinion from day to day. Omni wants us to buy the dips in certain U.S. indices on Friday, and that is certainly what I will attempt to do. So we've been hovering back and forth, fighting with this average, fighting with the bottom of this channel, back above the channel, back above the average. I don't know. Take your profits very quickly tomorrow. Be nimble, be quick. Don't hold on to profits for too long. But we will try to buy some kind of a dip. Maybe Russell, maybe NASDAQ, maybe E-mini S&P. We'll see what sets up the best. But Omni's a green, neutral green for now. More green than neutral, so don't sweat it. We will take a buy. Again, just remember the video we did last night. The weekly charts don't look the prettiest right now. But we're day trading, and hey, if we got to buy the dips to make a few bucks, we will. On Thursday, we sold short crude oil. It made some points for us. It made a lot of points for us. We sold short some Tesla. It came down. We took profits. That made a few points for us, $5 or $6 in dollars. We sold it at 181. Got out at like 176-ish, 176 and a half. And we never traded S&P on Thursday. That brings us to right now, Thursday night for trading Friday. We will buy a dip if we can find a decent one in one of the U.S. indices. And what else do we have out there? Well, I've got something else I'd like to show you. Look at this. Traders, NVDA is starting to speak again, and NVDA has given me a green Omni. All right, so I'm not going to argue with it. It's above the average. Seems to be above middle ground here. This sort of just illustrates middle ground of this chart. And it seems to be above middle ground. It's above this average. The Omni is starting to get bullish signals. Maybe if we stretched our imaginations a little, we can sort of turn this into some kind of a bull flag, right? Let's say you have this, and let's say we had a pole down here. A flag, the rest of the flag is down here, stretched out a little more, right? And then let's say that the pole was here. It's a possibility this whole darn thing's a big flag. We'll see. Let's take it one day at a time. Let's not do that for now. Let's just say NVIDIA is giving us a little bit of a signal here, and why not pay attention to it? So we may end up long shares of NVIDIA tomorrow. We'll see. We've got a green Omni. Traders, if you like these videos, do me a favor. Just take a moment to please like and share them. The more you guys hit the like button, the more the algorithms on YouTube will pick us up. The more people will get to see us. The more I think I can help others out there. So please do that. So NVIDIA, green Omni, looks like maybe it wants to move higher. I'm not going to argue with it because I never argue with my Omni. And then some of you have asked me about Bitcoin. We usually cover Bitcoin, Ethereum. I like Solana as well. In tonight's video, though, I think we'll go to Bitcoin and take a look at this. Bitcoin, daily bar. Now, you know, you could not have been in love with Bitcoin for the last few weeks because it's been getting ugly. And I'm not in love with it here, but we're at a do or die spot. Take a look at this average that it just got above, right? And not just the average, right? So it's above the average for now. It's back inside of this channel. So two things that, hey, maybe, just maybe, it will do and not die right at this level. Now this average, by the way, you know, it's no joke. Look at it. It held here. Well, we don't know that, but it's trying to hold here. Here. You know, didn't start yesterday, kids. This is not just a brand new average that just began working. And who knows, maybe we'll get lucky. It's a Friday. If it holds, the stock market wants to go up. If that wants to go up, Bitcoin will go up. And then we'll have some fun next week with it. So I thought I'd include Bitcoin for you. It's a leave it alone moment right here. Gamblers could buy it, right, thinking it's going to hold and go up. Other gamblers could sell it thinking, no way is it going to hold and go down. That's a good reason why I call it a do or die area. Let's just sit tight. Don't you worry, Sunday night and Monday will be here in no time. So I'm going to do nothing with Bitcoin. I just wanted to show you where it is. We'll have our signal within a day or so, and we'll figure out what to do from there. Traders, please come join me at livewithoscar.com. Please don't forget to like and share these videos. Leave a comment. Let me know what market you're looking at, and I'll be happy to do analysis and take a look at that market for you. So leave the comments below, and we'll see what we can do in our next video. Then remember, finally, stop SAR Wow, did you hear that? That was horrible, right? Wow, I did it twice. I'm going to have to not be able to finish this. All right, you know why I haven't had water in the last 20 minutes? I'm trying to get this video out, but let's do it, kids. You ready? Stop SAR Emotions are rock and roll. There it is. We got it done. I will see you all at livewithoscar.com.